Hey guys, gonna show you real quick. My garage door is getting pretty loud. It's got a worm drive, not a belt drive, so it's kind of noisy anyways, but it was getting kind of loud. So I just took some, I'll show you real quick. This one's an Ultra Lube, and I used a little nozzle there to spray lubricant in pretty much all points of contact. So on your the hinges here and also the roller, if you can squirt it down in there, it'll lubricate all that, and then on the wheels too. So I sprayed all in there. Up here there's like a little bearing in there too, on there and the side there, and obviously the end, and then each one of these hinges did that also. Can you turn the light on, please? Hang on. Never fails when you're making a video, someone turns the light out on you. Anyways, so actually the main thing was making a lot of that noise was the worm drive. So I took that nozzle and I sprayed it up in there, all up and down the line. Just be careful if you're underneath there, wear goggles or something. You don't want to get sprayed in the face. So I'm just gonna let you guys listen to it. I should have made a video before about how loud it was, but it's actually quite a bit quieter now, so let's hear it. Alright, so that's actually about twice as quiet as it was, if you believe that. So hope this helps. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.